Greetings and welcome to the Data Armory. Do you think you are also making the mistake of learning data science without relying on expert advice? So in this new segment of expert opinions, at least to help you succeed in your learning, we will sample for you some of the top experts' advice from actual data science experts who have been there, done that, and can help you easily and quickly achieve your goal in learning data science. And in today's mind map, we look at Krish Naik's mind map. We'll look at his mind map and what is his opinion when it comes to the data science roadmap as at 2022. After that, we look at the bullet points of his opinion when it comes to data science roadmap as at 2022. So who is Krish Naik? Who is Krish Naik? If you go to his LinkedIn account, Krish Naik describes himself as a TEDx speaker, co-founder at iNeuron. iNeuron is an e-learning service or network. He's also a YouTuber with 580,000 plus subscribers. It should be more than this as at now. I think this needs to be updated. You can confirm from his YouTube channel. He's also an angel in investor. Krish Naik talks about Python, data science, deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Let us just get more about him and why he stands out as an expert in the data science industry. Now, according to his LinkedIn account, he is a proven IT professional with an experience of 9+ years in software development and project implementation, and 6+ years, and currently working as a lead data scientist, machine and deep learning developer. So you can go to his LinkedIn account, read his about, and learn more about him. So let us look at his experience. He's the co-founder of iNeuron from October 2020 to present. And iNeuron, we have said, is that is a e-learning service or network. He is also a YouTuber, and according to the experience is 610,000 plus subscribers. Yeah, I think this is now updated compared to this one which was saying 580,000 subscribers. Then he has also worked as a lead data scientist at Panasonic India. He has also worked as a lead data scientist at EY. He has also worked as a tech lead at Honeywell. Let us look at more of his experience. He has also worked as a senior associate Publicis Sapient software engineer at HCL Technologies. So basically, that is about Krish Naik, who he is, and why he stands out as an expert voice when it comes to the data science field. So Krish Naik gives a roadmap of what it takes to become a data scientist in the year 2022. And in his video, he says that he has been always updating these roadmaps each and every year, because the data science field is a field that always expands every other time. So this video is as at 2022. You'll find the video down in the description section below. So Krish Naik gives us this roadmap. Now, according to Krish Naik, let us look at the roadmap. He divides this roadmap into 3 segments. There is the basic segment, which encompasses an experience of 0 to 3 years. There is the intermediate segment, which should be an experience of 4 to 8 years. Then there is the advanced segment, which should be an experience of 8+ years. Now, if you look at the basic level, which is 0 to 3 years, so according to him, the basic level should take about 0 to 3 years. But remember, this will always depend on your understanding, your speed, and where you learn from, and how you learn. Also, it can be longer and it can be shorter. This one is based on your. It works out differently for different people. But according to his expert opinion, the basic level should be about 0 to 3 years, or it is encompassed with with an experience of 0 to 3 years. So according to him, in the basic level, what do you need to do in your journey to become a data scientist? According to Krish Naik, is that at the basic level, you need to have an understanding of a programming language. You need to have an understanding of a programming language. Now, what does he say about this? Now, he advises that you should choose at least one programming language between Python and R. You can go and look at that video and look at which language does he prefer and why. When talking about a programming language, he also says that when you choose a programming language, for example, Python, you should at least try to have understanding of object-oriented programming and different data structures. Again, as we have said that you can go and watch his channel on why he prefers Python. So according to Krish Naik, is that in the basic level or at the basic level, you are supposed to at least choose a programming language. Now, again, in the basic level, again, he says you are supposed to have understanding of statistics. You are supposed to have an understanding of statistics. Here he talks about at least having an understanding of linear algebra and probability. And the reason why is that it helps you in some of the formulas that you will need when working with data. Now, when understanding statistics, he also advises that at least you should know about descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So we have seen that his basic years, there is programming language, there is statistics, there is also that the opinion that you should have understanding of differential equations. You should also have an understanding of differential equations. You can go and watch the video again to have more in-depth of what he means. After the basic level, which is between 0 to 3 years, his expert opinion also advises that now you should be moving to the intermediate level. And when you move to the intermediate level, which will be about, is encompassed of between 4 to 8 years, here he talks about you having an understanding of machine learning. So someone who is in the intermediate level, or someone who has had an experience of between 4 to 8 years, is expected to have an understanding of machine learning. When he talks about an understanding of machine learning, what does he mean? What does he mean about an understanding of machine learning? At least you should learn the machine learning algorithms. You should learn the mathematics behind these algorithms, and you should be good in EDA. EDA here means exploratory data analysis. And the reason why you need to be good in EDA is because much of your work as a data scientist will be about analyzing data, cleaning data and interacting with data, and you must be good with EDA. And that's why you have heard other experts also say that in data science, about 70 to 80% has to do with cleaning data. So you have to be very good with EDA. So that is the intermediate level. He talks about being good with machine learning algorithms, learn the mathematics behind them, or at least know how they work, and be good in EDA. When we say be good in EDA, is that you should be good in data analysis. In the intermediate level also, someone is expected to know at least about model deployment. You are expected to at least know about model deployment. Now, some of the tools that he talks of here are like Docker and Kubernetes, and model deployment, he advises, is at the very tail end of the intermediate level. So again, you can go and watch the video for more clarification. After that, he moves to the third section, which is comprised of 8+ years. And someone who has been in the field for about 8+ years is expected to have at least a knowledge of MLOps, AI Ops, and cloud knowledge. When you talk about cloud knowledge, these are tools like AWS and Azure. You can again go and watch his video and see which one does he prefer when it comes to cloud knowledge. So basically, that is the mind map of Krish Naik when it comes to your roadmap of understanding data science. Again, when you watch this video or when you watch the expert opinion that he gives, there are bullet points that come out throughout the video. There are bullet points that come out through the video. And what are the bullet points? He says that at least to get a job, you need to be intermediate. You need to be intermediate to at least get a job, which means that you need to have an experience of up to about 4 years to have a stable foundation to get a job. It does not mean that you cannot get a job with less than 3 years. Again, it depends on you. And also tell me what you think down in the comment section below. Another bullet point that comes out in the video is that at least you need to devote about 1 to 2 hours daily to learn Python, assuming that you are someone who does not have full all the time to do your learning. At least devoting 1 to 2 hours daily will help you in your journey towards becoming a data scientist. Another opinion or bullet point that he gives throughout his opinion is that you do not learn statistics theoretically. At least when you're learning statistics, try and take examples and work them out. Don't just watch and learn without participating. And when we talk about, actually here what he's saying is about active learning. And we have a video on active learning. Check up there. You'll get the link up there. We have a video on active learning. So he advises that you should not learn statistics theoretically, but you should work them out. And basically what he means there is active learning, and we have talked about that before. He also says that you should be good in EDA and feature engineering. You should be good in EDA and feature engineering because the industry data that you get, it is data that is not clean. So much of your time will be taken in cleaning data. Another bullet point that he gives throughout his expert opinion is that data science is a continuous learning process. You will need to learn and learn without end because data science is a continuous learning process. So basically, that is the mind map of Krish Naik when it comes to data science roadmap in 2022. Is there any other expert that you would like us to bring you his or her mind map? Give us the name in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. You have a blessed day.